3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through the different ways to earn units, the currency in Marvel Rivals. There are several methods and some might be ones you haven't considered. First, head to the top right corner of the screen and select your profile icon. From there, navigate to the achievement section. Completing achievements earns you points, and at every milestone like 40 or 80 points, you unlock rewards such as Chrono Tokens. These are found under sections like Galactus Guide, Rival Rising, and Hero's Journey, where additional achievements and rewards await as you progress. Another key source of units is through the daily missions, which refresh regularly. Completing these tasks gives you Chrono Tokens, and you can refresh the missions up to 3 times daily to earn more. The seasonal events and the Battle Pass are also valuable options. The Battle Pass includes both free and paid tiers, offering units and tokens as you level up. To explore more rewards, navigate the Events tab to find mission-based unlocks. Using these methods, achievements, daily missions, challenges, seasonal events, and the Battle Pass, you can gather a solid stockpile of units without needing to spend real money. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Marvel Rivals tips.